like a wind that blows 1,000 miles an hour. You will be like, all my shit has been blown away. Many men's tried, and many men's died, 'cause you can't defeat an avocado. An avocado may look small, but inside it's 10 feet tall. That's why you can't defeat an avocado. You may learn some lessons in this life from your husband or your wife, but until you see the light, you don't know wrong from right. But you need never fear, the avocado's here, and you can't defeat an avocado. No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't. You just can't. No, you can't defeat an avocado. Like Napoleon or Waterloo, my friend, that will be you if you try to overthrow the avocado. Yeah, like Hitler at Stalingrad, man, it will be that bad if you try to defeat the avocado. Yeah, wine comes from grapes, yeah, people come from apes, but avocado has a pit, and that's just the heart of it. Why you can't, no you can't, no you can't, you just can't defeat an avocado. Oh, no you can't, no you can't, yeah, you can try, but you just can't defeat an avocado. You just can't defeat an avocado. Yeah, wine comes from grapes. Yeah, people come from apes. But an avocado has a pit. And that's just the point of it. Now you can't. Ooh, you can't. Oh, no, you can't defeat an avocado. Baby.